like hands that go like this or something.
Yeah. Trying to keep ourselves distracted so he doesn't really understand that we're looking at him.
Yeah, right.
I think he's done. Nope. Always start with pencils. Always start with pencil. That's kind of cool. Fingers look kind of screwed up, but, you know.
Yeah.
So far I've shot like a minute of this. Give him a hat.
No, I'm working on it. Should give him like mountain boots.
I'm gonna post this on YouTube.
Right?
Yeah, this will be like a part 2 to my stupid dogs. Like somebody requested a part 2 to my stupid dogs.
Really?
And scene. Say bye, Tucker.